Good day everyone. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Bangalore, India. Lumabas ako saglit ng hotel ko kasi nagugutom ako. This is how India looks like. Kakain muna tayo. Try natin yung mga pagkain nila dito. I'm craving for biryani. Teka lang. Ito si tatay, lagi kong nadadaan dito. Every time na dumadaan ako dito, dito siya natutulog, kumakain. Hello!
हेलो सर।
आप कैसे हैं?
हाँ ठीक है, आपका खाना खा रहे हैं।
Is that dal?
हाँ दाल।
Dal? You want chicken biryani?
No,
Chicken biryani?
No,
You veg,
want-
non-veg?
हाँ?
Veg, non-veg?
No, night I eat it।
क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं?
हाँ, I can talk in
You
English।
can talk English.
Yes.
Wow.
I am a degree holder।
Oh, you want biryani?
हाँ, बिरयानी night।
Chicken biryani?
चिकन बिरयानी।
I will buy for you chicken biryani.
My
Huh?
God, morning you have given 100 rupees।
Yeah, even you remember nighttime I also gave you 150. Nighttime you're sleeping, then I gave you money.
Yes, correct।
Yeah, you remember?
हाँ।
Then morning I also give you.
I
yeah.
kept to।
You sleeping here?
Huh?
You sleeping here?
I'm staying here only, madam।
No.
I don't have
No
nobody.
house.
No house, no wife,
How about
Nothing.
family?
no
Son.
family. She
You are
died of uterus cancer.
Oh,
So
okay.
no children.
Because I always walk here, I always see you sleeping.
Okay, madam.
You're
Thank
not,
you.
You're not walking around.
Pardon?
You're not walking. Only staying here.
No. I'm I'm working for 2 hours in a lawyer's office.
Oh, okay.
So he gives 50 rupees.
Oh,
So with that I manage.
you can buy 50 rupees for food.
Ah,
Ah, I will buy chicken biryani. I give you. Okay.
Okay, nice.
For dinner. Your dinner. Okay.
okay, madam.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Ayun. So, nakita ko si tatay laging natutulog doon. Hindi siya yung palaboy-laboy na nanghihingi ng pera. Tapos hindi rin siya namamalimos. Sabi niya nagwo-work daw siya, binibigyan siya ng 2 hours. I mean 50 rupees for 2 hours work. So sabi ko sa kanya kung gusto niyang pagkain, bilang ko siya ng chicken biryani. Although kumakain na siya, pero try nating bigyan ng chicken biryani para medyo masarap naman yung ulam niya. Pero sanay na siguro siya sa ganun kasi lagi siya nung natutulog. Kaya lang syempre wala naman tayong bahay dito para patuloyin si tatay. So we bought something for tatay. Chicken biryani. Kasi pag nakikita ko siya, parang puro dal. Puro dal yung kinakain niya. Yung dal parang munggo. Parang munggo dito sa India. So bigyan natin siya ng chicken biryani. Tapos abutan na rin natin ng konting pera. Hi. This is your food. Chicken biryani.
My God.
Yeah, you want chicken biryani?
I wanted it.
That's for your dinner.
Okay.
I'm leaving Bangalore tomorrow.
Tomorrow,
Yeah, so maybe I'll see you again when I'm back, okay? I'll go to Mumbai.
Mumbai.
I'll see you again when I come back, okay? And this is something for you,
Oh my God.
okay?
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Madam,
Yeah.
where is staying?
I'm staying in this hotel nearby.
No, nearby guest hotel.
Yeah.
But wait,
Philippines.
Philippines. Huh?
Philippines.
Oh, Philippines.
Yeah.
When I was working in Africa.
Oh, Africa.
Oh,
You worked in Africa
Libya.
before? Libya. What's your work in Libya?
Libya, Tripoli.
Security? What?
Tripoli.
Kipuli?
The capital of North Africa.
Oh, okay, okay.
I worked in United Nations.
Oh, UN. Okay.
Educated and everything.
Nice
But
meeting you and take care always, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank
madam.
you.
But
Ay, nako. Nakakaiyak. Kasi si tatay hindi naman baliw. Nasa matinong pag-iisip. Ewan ko kung totoo ba na wala siyang anak. Walang or kamag-anak. Kasi tanong ko may kamag-anak or anak siya, sana man lang inaalagaan nila yung tatay nila. Kakalungkot lang.